Hi and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll go over landing pages for auto detailing businesses. So who am I? Why should you listen to me? I'm Alex Cho from ZBPPC, and over the past few years, I've worked with dozens of auto detailing businesses across the country, helping them grow using Google Ads. If you're interested in working together, I offer a free 15-minute discovery call. The link is in the description below. So why do landing pages matter for Google Ads? Well, ads will get them to click, right? But your landing page will inform and convince them to call and contact you. So Google Ads, it's a big investment, right? And it's important to design a high converting landing page to effectively capture leads. Otherwise, honestly, you're just wasting your time and money. And you can have the world's best Google Ads, the best ads, but if your landing page is bad, you're not going to get nearly as many leads and jobs as you could. So I guess that leads us to what makes a great landing page. Well, so again, the overall goal with the landing page is to convert visitors into leads and into booked jobs, right? And you ideally want your Google Ads to go to a separate landing page, not your main website. This is because the landing page, right, it's very focused on one specific goal, getting a call or form submission related to your ad. Your website has too many options and it can be too distracting to people, making them less likely to contact you. Needs to be highly relevant to their needs and problem. You need to make it easy to get in contact. You make it easy for them to get in contact with you, and you need to really take the time to build trust in your business. So I've listed some general criteria here. So the first being a clear call to action, right? This is telling people exactly what you want them to do next. So if someone clicks your ad, they're interested, right? And so your landing page needs to tell them right away in a way that's easy to see, call now or get your free quote. And if they don't know what to do, they're probably just going to leave. And then many people, they use their phones to look for auto detailing services, right? Everyone's on their phone these days. And if someone clicks on your Google ad on their phone, your landing page needs to look good and work well on mobile. And if it's hard to see or use on a phone, they're honestly probably going to leave and you're going to waste money on that ad click. And then when someone clicks on your ad, the landing page they go to should be about the same thing as the ad. For example, if your ad is about mobile auto detailing, the landing page should talk specifically about mobile auto detailing, not say ceramic coating. So if the page isn't what they expected, they are going to leave also. And this is called message match, and it's a very important concept. And so after they click on your ad, your landing page needs to make it instantly clear and simple for them to reach out. You think prominent, obvious call options, especially a click to call number for phone users and a short, easy form if they prefer that. But people don't know who you are, right, or your business right away. So it's best not to drive them directly to a booking page or a schedule. And then people don't like to wait for websites to load. So if your landing page takes too long to show up after someone clicks on your ad, they might get tired of waiting and just leave before they even see your page. This means you paid for a click that just didn't even matter. And then when people see your ad, they might not know if they can trust your business, right? So things like good reviews from other customers or badges such as, Google reviews with the stars, Trustpilot, etc., that show you are a trusted business can help people feel safer, right? And if they trust you, they are more likely to contact you. And then your landing page should be easy to look at and understand, right? If there's too much stuff on the page or it's too confusing, people might get overwhelmed and leave. A simple page helps them focus on what you want them to do, like calling you for help. And you usually don't want lots of links to other pages like your social media, for example, because you want them to stay on your landing page and you want them to contact you. So now I want to show you some examples of good and bad auto detailing landing pages I found across the US while searching on Google for either, mobile auto detailing followed by a city or mobile car detailing followed by a city. So I'm first going to start with the bad examples here. I'm not hating on any of these companies. So here we go. This company is, I'm not sure what this company's name is, but basically, right, there's complete service misalignment, right? This is a web page for a cheap body shop and car repair. not specifically for mobile auto detailing. So this is completely misaligned with the ad and the search keyword. Here's another example of just complete misalignment with the search. This is a website, The Car Connoisseur on Wheels, and this is a landing page for vehicle scratch repair. Looks like mobile vehicle scratch repair, not specifically mobile auto detailing or mobile car detailing. So that's, again, service misalignment. And then here's another just like, I guess, quote unquote, very bad example of misalignment, right? So this is Detailing World Pittsburgh, right? And this is what looks like a detailing supply store. They don't offer, I don't believe that, maybe they do, but it just looks like a supply store for auto detailers. I don't think they actually offer detailing services. So that's kind of misaligned with a search for mobile auto detailing. And then let's look at a couple other examples that I have here that I found. So this one right here, Keep Clean ATX, right? So this landing page, it just goes right to the online services page and booking page. There's no information about the company or why someone clicking on the ad should trust this particular company. Again, people who are searching you, they don't know you. For the most part, they don't know you or your company, right? And then this doesn't look very professional either. There's a bunch of grammatical errors on the website. So, and then here's another one. This is Ray's Detailing Services. So this one, right, there's no call to action really above the fold. If we go down, we have to go down, scroll down a bit here to get to the call to action. And there are no customer testimonials. And then just this whole layout, the organization, it does not look very aesthetic. So I'll show you. It's kind of easier to find bad examples, to be honest. Again, not hating on any of the companies, but I'll show you an example of one that I did think was okay, right? And so this is Archer's Mobile Detailing. They're using their website as a landing page. However, right here, and we'll take a look at it on mobile. Right, yeah, let's just look at it mobile right now. All right, so they're using the website as a landing page, which is okay, not a great decision. But they have a clear headline here that talks about the services, mobile auto detailing. And then it talks in their subheadline, it talks a little bit about auto detailing. Then there's very clear calls to action right here with start your quote or call now. You have the social proof here with the 5 stars on Google. Then you have a list of their services and overview of their company services, I think, and then customer reviews, and then their easy 3-step process for hiring this company, different services. They have reviews again. I think this is kind of redundant. I think this is the same thing as above. So that then it's about the company, some FAQs. Great. And you can book on, there is the option to book online here, but it's not like the first option. And then you have the quote form down here and more information about the business and the service areas. So overall, I think that this is like very decent, not bad, in terms of landing pages. And then I also did, created my own landing page using best practices for a high converting, in this case, mobile auto detailing landing page. I didn't really do much editing to this. I created it using Lovable AI, and I wanted to be for like if someone were to do this themselves. All right, so we can take a look at this here. So immediately, as you can see, we have mobile auto detailing in the header, as well as some more relevant information here. You have a call button here. We have a quote form right here, and then a car in the background. And then reasons why they should choose this company. We got the customer reviews from Google. Got more detail on the detailing the specific services being offered. And then before and after, although the images are broken right now. And then service area. And then we can go another call to action with a call and request quotes, as well as business hours, and then other social media on the bottom and contact information on the bottom, right? And so let's check it out on mobile. Okay, so as you can see, It does look pretty good on mobile. You know, we have call buttons here, then the quote is like right above the fold. And then you can see everything here. The same things here with the services, the reviews, the specific packages, before and afters, the service area, as well as the final call to action on the bottom, right? Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'll create a separate video on how to create something like this for yourself. And if you are interested in working together, you can schedule a free 15-minute discovery call with me in the link below. And then if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I drop new Google Ads tutorials and tips every week.